Hello everyone guys, in this video I'll show you how to make money from trading, how I do it and how I'm getting results. Here's what the statistics look like. How I managed to earn from $300 to $1,000 a day. Every day is different, sometimes I earn more, sometimes a bit less and so on. But that's not the point. In this video I'll show how any beginner who's just starting out in trading can make money here. Naturally, if you know nothing about trading, you won't just make money here. But there's a great tool called signalai.net. It's a site that analyzes currency pairs on its own and gives us a ready signal. And we're going to use this site to trade today. We have several trading modes: standard, VIP, custom, live signal, and there are also tools available on Telegram such as trading bots, trading apps, and so on. Today we'll trade in a live session, so we'll be trading, let's say, in real time. Right, we'll be copying an analyst's trades. So an analyst, analyzes the market and currency pairs, gives us the pair and the direction, and we'll copy all of that today. There are 3 sessions a day, 13, 17, and also 20 hours. And if you live in another country, your time will be a bit different. So basically it all depends on where you live. Okay, anyway, we're waiting for a signal from the analyst, after which we'll copy it and make some money in this video. By the way, I have almost $17,000 in my pocket safe, and I earned all this money using signalai.net, for those who don't get how the broker pays us. Look here, there's a chart. This chart moves up and moves down, so it's in constant motion. Right, it's either rising or falling. Our task is to analyze where the price will go, up or down. Naturally, if you're a beginner and know nothing about tech analysis and so on, the signalai.net site will help you out. It'll analyze for you, give a signal, and you'll just copy it all. To be honest, I'm not some super analyst or super trader either. So I also use the signalai.net website. Look, we need to prepare the USD Swiss franc currency pair. Go to search, type in USD CHF and find this currency pair. It's very important, it must be without the OTC mark. We only trade on exchange pairs. That's very important. So find this currency pair and wait for the signal. There'll be a signal soon, we'll copy it and basically enter the trade. I'm going to enter the trade with $200. The yield is 87%. If the trade is positive, I'll earn $174. So $174 will actually be my profit, and that's really very cool. So we're waiting for a signal, then we'll enter the trade. And if you haven't liked it yet, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Look, a signal to go up, 17th minute. Okay, let's head back. 17th minute for $200. Alright, the trade is open, let's wait. I'll check back at the end and we'll see if it's a win or a loss, how this position plays out. Unfortunately, the first trade didn't work out, so we lost $200. It's a losing trade. We were actually expecting a bounce from the support level. Yes, we have support, a mirror support, so we see the analysis, but unfortunately the trade didn't work out. It's a losing trade. Now we'll most likely take a recovery trade, meaning we'll increase the trade amount. The first trade was for $200, the second trade will be for $400. Why do we need this? We need it to completely cover the previous loss. So if I lost $200, once I open a second trade for $400 where I can earn $348, completely covering the $200 loss and putting another $148 in my pocket, which is pure profit. Okay, we're basically waiting for the next signal. I'll jump back in as soon as a signal comes. Actually, there is a signal. CADJPY. The signal came quickly, that's good. CADJPY, I repeat, this online session is being conducted by an analyst. So this signal isn't from a bot, it's from a real live analyst. 21st minute up, opening the trade. Man, I could have entered on the wick here, but the entry point is still very good. There's growth potential, so let's wait and see. There's already some momentum now. Trade is going up. 21st minute. Everything's copied exactly. Currency pair CADJPY. That's right. Let me speed up the video a bit and I'll be back at the end of this trade. Just look at this amazing result. 5 seconds until the trade closes. We opened a trade for an increase. The trade worked out. It's a winning trade. We just made $336 in pure profit on this trade. We can also see the analysis here. So we were expecting a breakout after all, a breakout of the resistance. There, we got a really good entry. And it's a winning trade. And so, in fact, we've completely covered the $200 loss and made $136. That's a clear win. This session's trade is profitable. By the way, this is what a win looks like when a trade is profitable. It's really very nice. So that's the video. Give it a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next videos. And the link to the site will be in the pinned comment. Bye everyone.